Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'll explain why Cash App accounts might be closed and how you can appeal to get your account back. If your Cash App account was closed, either without warning or for an unclear reason, don't worry. You still have a chance to recover it by contacting Cash App support. First, create a temporary Cash App account. This new account will help you reach support and you can close it later once the process is complete. Next, open the Cash App and tap your profile icon. From there, select Support and choose the chat option. In the search bar, type account closed or can't access account to find the right help section. When chatting with support, clearly explain your situation. Provide your old Cash App username or cash tag, politely ask why the account was closed, and request if it can be reopened. Clear communication is key here. Finally, be patient and wait a few days for a response. Cash App support will let you know whether your account can be reopened or if it's permanently closed. Following these steps gives you the best chance to regain access to your original Cash App account.